welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the short. It's your boy Obi. So a little bit of an update of what's going on Project Littleton Advent Hospital. What's that?
Back to work! I'm working here in this community service.
Anyway, we got all of the bracing welded in. I'll show you that here. So we got the bracing on the main beam all welded in. Danny boy is welding up a little bit more bracing because, like I said, all that is coming down. But we got a little bit of an issue with the column or the actual footer that they poured. It's about 1.5 inches off. So now we gotta wait on the engineer to give us an answer as to our thoughts of a mod on that to make everything fit up right. So we're waiting on that. Probably won't get that information today.